Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to use iPhone to record voice. To use iPhone to record voice, we have two basic methods. Method 1 is using the Voice Memos app. So now, launch the Voice Memos app from your home screen or search for it using Spotlight. Tap the red record button to begin recording your voice. Speak into your iPhone's microphone for best quality. Stop and save recording. Tap the red stop button when you're finished. The recording will automatically save in the app under the All Recordings and ready to be played. Next method, using a third-party app called Auto AI. Search for Auto AI in the App Store and install it. Next, sign in or create an account. Open the app and log in or create a free account. Next, start recording. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner, then go to Home. Tap the microphone icon to begin recording. Auto AI also transcribe your voice into text in real time. Next, save and access recordings. Save the recording when finished by tapping the box button on the bottom left. You can access the audio file and transcription in the apps library by tapping on the new note, then go to Transcript. Additional tips: use an external microphone for higher quality audio recordings. Enable iCloud Sync and voice memo settings to access recordings across all your Apple devices. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.